I'm Steve Bramley, I'm the Chief Executive of GAMBICA. GAMBICA is a trade association, we're a not-for-profit organisation. Our industry is the technical product supply industry. It's governed by the members and run on behalf of the members for the members. And our main goal really is to grow the industry, create opportunities and overcome barriers. So our aims are encapsulated by our strapline, which is knowledge, influence and community. The idea for us is to work out what a member is looking for, what help and support they're needing, and then we can tailor our offering to that. But equally, there are things that we do that members might not know we do, and therefore we can provide that service.
We find that our members really benefit from the network that we provide. So for example, we spend a lot of time giving people information, but information can be just overload, can't it, unless it's really pertinent to you. So we really try and focus on what matters to them, changes in standards, which sound really boring, but they matter in terms of not only a possibility of getting into new markets, but a barrier to being in your existing markets. So all that information, we give it to them, but it doesn't really come alive until you start discussing it with your peers and identifying, oh my goodness, that's what this means for me.
It works two ways. It means that you can get a lot more support for your business, you'll get a lot more information, you'll get market intelligence for the business, and also it benefits you because you'll get access to other like-minded companies, leaders, colleagues you can then work with to further your own business. So I would strongly recommend it.
GAMBICA is an organisation that provides a voice to our industry on many things, and it enables us to influence government in areas that we wouldn't be able to do ourselves. They're enablers for us because of their collective value to our industry.
GAMBICA really helps Schneider Electric increase our influence because it gives us access to government and lobbying and things like that, as well as other industry bodies.
There's lots and lots of different member benefits, from getting together at exhibitions like we are at today, but also our special interest group meetings that we hold usually on a quarterly basis, where you can meet other competitors and make sure that you're doing the same thing that they are to make sure that the industry is championed throughout the UK.
Yeah, this is where you meet counterparts from other organisations, some much bigger, some much smaller, some local manufacturers, some global manufacturers, suppliers, distributors. So a real cross-section of different organisations within our industry, and it's really helpful to compare notes, understand the market dynamics, understand the trends, and then apply these to our business. We're all in the business because we love the business, and the fact that we may be competitors doesn't need to become an issue.
The GYC is GAMBICA's Young Council, so that is formed of, it's around 18 young professionals from across all the GAMBICA member industries, and they come together to work on issues that they decide, so they set their own agenda, and they're really focusing on activities to sort of support the sector going forward into the future. I think it makes the industry a nicer place, and I would say that sort of younger people coming into the industry, they don't want to be in this super competitive environment. It's not really something that drives them anymore, and we found that from the GYC is they care about different things. They care about making a difference.
There's 15 of us, so we're a group of young people from across the industry, and we meet up and discuss industry things, how we can get better, and we're working on sustainability at the moment, STEM and kind of upskilling people in the industry. I think the aim's really to offer a fresh perspective, if you like, and just kind of develop the young people we've got in the industry. It raises our employability, I guess, makes us better.
It's just a wonderful way to get access to industry. So anytime I need a guest speaker or we need to get industry input into something, I just pick up the phone or drop an email to one of the industry sector leads and I get a response immediately.
There's a serious shortage of high-level skills in industry, and it's how we address the pipeline. And working collectively, we're now looking in terms of addressing the shortage and then producing appropriate graduates for the sectors that are presented in this particular field.
As long as you put in, you absolutely get more out. So it's definitely something that we get massive value from.
It's been great being part of different groups, committees the world over, because you meet so many different people. Being able to help people gives a job satisfaction, but also collaborating with other associations. So other UK associations, European associations, you're collaborating, working together for the benefit of everyone.